you must never be obsessed about positions to a point where we want to destroy each other with ease, because that's what has killed the ANC. They have allowed factionalism to reign supreme.
Yes.
Sibonelo Nomvalo unguSecretary General ka-9 noma ka-10 Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Selokhu iqembu lasungulwa nge-16 zikaDisemba 2023. Ngesikhathi uDuduzile benenhlamulo bebene-media briefing, abakushilo bathe selokhu leli qembu lasungulwa alikaze libe no-SG. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi omunye umuntu abaye bamsola u-Treasurer General. Usho ukuthi lezi khundla lapha emkhontweni weSizwe Party ezinenkinga ngempela lezi ezimbili, uba u-SG okanye ube u-Treasurer General. Nawo u-Treasurer General sebebaningi nabanye babona ba-qualified njengo-Dr. Thanti Mthanti abavele nje baresigna nje. Ugcina ungasiqondi isizathu sabo, kodwa uFloyd wasitshela ukuthi kukhona abantu abadla imali lapha emkhontweni. Mawuqala uthi uyayiraise leyo ndaba leyo ngaphakathi eqenjini bayakuvukela benzisi lokuthi ukhishwe. Yingakho sibona bekhishwa kangaka abo Treasurer General. Usibonelo Nomvalo uthe mayefika ethatha njengo-Secretary General womkhonto weSizwe Party, then wayeseza nohlelo lokuthi ama-structures wonke lawa abawakhona uyawahlakaza. Kunalokho kuzoba khona i-process ekuthiwa i-consultative process, lapho amalungu omphakathi azohlangana wodwa akhetha abantu okuyibona abazorepresent umkhonto weSizwe Party njengoba kuyiwa kulama elections angomhla ka-4 kuNovember 2026. Ngokwenza kanjalo kukhona abantu abakujabulele lokho, futhi naye ulibuke njengohlelo oluhle lapho khona kungeze ukufika yena njengo-SG enelungelo lokwenza ukuthi avela ngoba phela yakhumbula ukuthi kumkhonto weSizwe Party abanayo elective conference, kodwa baya appoint abantu abazobekwe ekhundleni. Akalisebenzisa ngelungelo lakhe njengo-SG ukuthi appoint abantu abazobafaka ekhundleni, cha, uthe akube ngabantu. Sizwile ukuthi khona nama-list aphuma kwenzakalani, kuney'nkinga ey'cishe ibe njalo. Kodwa kwabanye abantu leli hlelo laba luhle, kwabanye abantu alizange libe luhle. Ngicela uzwe la.
Sanibonani bafethu, sila ehostela kaMashu eWard 39 njengoba nazi ukuthi yona ndawo umuntu ayisebenze kakhulu le. Yeah. So njengamanje nginobaba uMthethwa okuyena okwathi mangabe kuvotwa kuzokhethwa ucandidate wathola inamba eziningi ezazimvuna ukuthi engakwazi ukustanda abe ukhansela candidate. Unfortunately inamba ke ayibanga isahamba ngendlela ezazime ngayo. So njengoba ngike ngasho ke naphambilini ukuthi ikhona i-dispute eyafakwa kwi-region ayangasebenzeka ngendlela, kwase kwenziwa i-appeal yadlula yaya kwi-province. So sisalindile-ke i-province siza ukuthi izoliqhuba kanjani lolu hlelo. But-ke silindele futhi ukuthi iwadi ngathi ngaqala phansi ihlaliswe ukuze lo muntu owayithola inamba eziningi zibuyele kuyena. So nginaye kubaba uMthethwa la guys, nangu baba uMthethwa mhlawumbe kupho kulindele wena njengoba sisafake i-dispute kwi-province.
Sanibonani mphakathi, sanibonani ma-comrades womkhonto wesizwe. Esikulindele kakhulu silinde i-province njengamanje ngoba indaba yethu sihambile yaze yafika kwi-province. Silindele nje ukuthi i-province isenzele iqiniso. It's either babuyise inamba lezo engangiwine ngazo noma ke futhi kungathiwa akuqalwe phansi. Nokuqalwa phansi futhi nako sikulindela, akukho esinenkinga nayo. Kodwa nje ukuthi kwenzeke iqiniso akukho esikubalekelayo, kodwa sifuna ukuthi yonke into ihlalo bala ibe clear, yonke into ibe nefair phambi komphakathi okuyiwona ke phela osikhethayo ngoba sikhethi. Ngiyabonga.
Video qeda kuyibona kubhale ukuthi ebuholini buka Nomvalo axovekile amawode siwasebenzele kanzima. Yingoba uyabona ukuthi nangomuntu bona bebefuna ukuthi abe i-councillor candidate. Njengoba uzwile ivideo engiqale ngayo uthe uNomvalo amalungu omkhonto weSizwe Party obsessed ngekhundla kangangokuba bangaze baqambelana amanga uma benamandla futhi bangaze babulalana. It's not about to serve abantu, kodwa it's about an individual ukuthi bona bazogaina ini kuzokwenzakalani. Njengoba ngibrowser ku-TikTok ngazithela phe kwale video le.
Kona sekusale kancane-ke ukuthi silale sivuke uNomvalo exoshe upresident eqembini lakhe. Mina ngungqamalala bengizoqhubeka ngimphuce uNomvalo amandla. Futhi ngingagcini ngokumphuca amandla, ngiphinde ngimehlise kwisika SG. Kukhulunywa ukuthi kubhekwe okhethweni la ngomhla ka4 asinaye uSG. Lento yo-SG yakhulumisa emkhontweni lokhu wathi inhlo sinenkinga yo-SG. And angi-understand ukuthi wonjani lo ozothi mayingabe efuna ukuphuma bese kuba no hands off sibanibani, okusho ukuthi usemkhulu kuno organization, usemkhulu kunonqamalala. Mina bengizoqhubeka ngimphuca amandla, ngimphuce futhi nokuthi abe uSG, abe yimember. Uma kuukuthi uyakholelwa emkhontweni ubezoqhubeka ahlale, kodwa mayingakholelwa bakhona nabanye abahambile before. Khona nje lo Nkosi yami uThulani, sasimbiza uThulani ngoba wayehleze eyithulele, akubayingenzi lutho. Wakhishwa waziphumela nje wayijoyinela inkatha, okusho ukuthi wayevele engazile ngesihle. Umuntu angim-understand umuntu othi mayingabe ekhishwa alwe, ulwelani yini esuke ikulwisa? Hayi ngeke, mina ngungqamalala bengizomkhipha uNomvalo kwesika SG, ngimphuce namandla lawa amphuce wona, ngingambuyiseli.
Evike liphelile kuphume istatement ebesivela kumkhonto wesizwe phansi ukuthi upresident weqembu former president weCountry Jacob Zuma uqoke abantu abathize ababizwa ngokuthi SPT, Special Presidential Team. Uhlakaza presidential team le ibeyikhona, presidential task team le beyikhona, ubeka le special task team lesi esizosebenza ngokubambisana neNational High Command. Usho ukuthi asikho isinqumo manje sothathwa uSG yedwa, kodwa kunalokho kufuneka abonisane neNational High Command nalabantu laba abazobe bekhethiwe. Uma sebebonisene nabo bese bephuma nesinqumo, then kubantu bathi lokho kusho ukuthi uSG usephucwa amandla akhe njengoba uzwa lo sisi. Jase kuthiwa manje uyalwa, ulwela ukuthi akafuni kuphuma. Angikwazi lokho kusho ukuthini nanokuthi le nkulumo isukaphi, kodwa le nkulumo eshiwo yilo sisi lo uSibahle ingikhumbuze into yakhe yashiwo uFloyd eyenzeka lapha emkhontweni. Cela uzwe la.
The reason given in the national officials for my deployment or removal as Secretary General was that I want to overthrow President Zuma as the president of Mkhonto weSizwe. That is what was said. That all the work that we were doing as Secretary General of establishing structures and identifying leaders was meant ultimately at the removal of President Zuma as president of Mkhonto weSizwe. And as part of that reasoning, an extremely bizarre and fake intelligence report was produced, which was claimed to be a conversation between me and some people in the African continent, where it is alleged that despite raising money to remove President Zuma, I'm also accumulating supernatural powers to make people disappear. That is the reason why we had to deal with superstitious issues as the basis of what happens, that there's apparently a head which I was going to be given to give to someone, and some people were going to die so that I can become president of Mkhonto weSizwe. That was the intelligence report, which were rejected with contempt and said that that is absolute rubbish, and said that if anyone claims to have my WhatsApp conversations, I can hand over my phone. I even offered in the meeting that take my phone and check not only the messages that you claim were about the removal of President Zuma, also check any other message about anything that I communicate as a leader of Mkhonto weSizwe.
Also ibhekisisa kahle yonke lento le, it's same script but different players, different actors but same script. Uthelo yasise sekusela ukuthi uNomvalo axoshe uJacob Zuma manje eqenjini lakhe. Uyayibona lento ababeyisho ngoFloyd manje sebeyisho ngoNomvalo. Kahle kahle ikhona inkinga ekhona la, kodwa imayilana nama positions awukwazi ukuthi ungaba khona abantu abawu9 9 noma 10 babe ngo-secretary general besuthi asikaze saba no-secretary general oright. Yes, uright ngoba mhlampe enza intando yakho noma ngoba wena ubenefita, yingakho gcina right. Kodwa nje mawubheka ikhona into ebangwayo la, hayi le abayishoyo. Kodwa uNomvalo usitshelile wathi into ezobulala leli qembu ukubanga ikhundla. Naye futhi bayamhlanganisela ama-intelligence report, washo wathi amanye wabonile nje wavela wazitshela ukuthi lawo uzwa-challenge njenge-lawyer, ulinde nje ukuthi bawapresente ngoba useyazi kwenzakalani. So into ekhona le ukuthi kuthiwe umuntu ufuna ukuketula upresident, bakusho kuFloyd bamkhipha eqenjini, sebekusho kuNomvalo. UNomvalo uma engasawuqede lo nyaka uzobe kuyena secretary ohlala isikhathi eside. Uma engasawuqede lo nyaka futhi uyobe strong.
And I always discourage people who forward voice notes to me and say, no, man, I don't have time for this. So there is no personal decision or unilateral decision which I've ever taken against anyone. And if anything, I've always been working with the attitude of wanting to work with everyone. Yes. Since my arrival, I have an open door policy. I say, guys, this task is very huge. It can never be achieved by an individual. Let's come together and work in pursuit of organizational growth, in pursuit of advancing and deepening the aims and objectives of the MK Party as an organization. So these are just attacks which will always be there in the revolution, especially when we are a leader. You must not be a crybaby. When people attack you, then you say, I can't work today.
Why me?
Many attacks have been coming in different forms, including concocted fake intelligence reports. I know all of them. I know the network. I know the network that concocts those intelligence reports. I just caught one some weeks ago, done by senior leaders who just decided to meet over a very cheap bottle of whiskey and concocted a report against me. Then I detected that report. Then I said, I will challenge these ones. I will now behave like a lawyer. I will just compile all evidence of what they are alleging here, and they must come and prove. But if they don't if they don't prove, there must be consequences.
Ngoba ngishile ekuqaleni ngathi same script, different actors. Lento ayishiwo ngoFloyd njengoba yesho uFloyd ukuthi kuze kuna fake intelligence report, uNomvalo usho into efanayo. Uthi yena usewabonile amanye ngoba une network. Isifo nje sikhona lesi kuleli qembu lomkhonto wesizwe party. Kodwa ke into esengiyibukile mina, abantu balamba isikhathi eside nje uma kwenzeka bangene kulezi ikhundla, mhlambe kube khona abakuwinayo, bazodla. Iyona into enkinga ekhona nje. Iyona nje into ehlasele iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe party. Ukuthi abantu sebelamba isikhathi eside. Asiyibambe le video. Cela ukuze ukubhala kwakho la comment section. Ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani lolu daba esilixoxayo. Kodwa nje ngithi it's same script, different actors. uFloyd kwaba khona the fake intelligence report. uNomvalo khala futhi naye ukuthi kuna fake intelligence report. So bongo SG kuzolokhu kuthiwa abekho right, kanti obani laba abacompile lama report? Naba abantu ufuna kudilwe nabo, laba abacompile lama report. Mina nabasidibana kwivideo landelayo.